Hello, here we're going to look at week 19, page 1. This is simplifying polynomials with addition and subtraction. Notice I said this is not the FOIL method or the box method. This is us using addition and subtraction to combine like terms. So for example, if we're going to go down here and look at number 8, we will see that we have this quantity, and we need to subtract this quantity here. Now this is going to entail us first having to distribute this negative sign. Right, because some of them are just addition signs, in which case we just go through and combine our like terms right away. So for example, here on 7, we'd just be taking our 5p to the third power, combining with our negative 8p to the third power. And actually, we'll look at number 7 here. I'll do a subtraction one on the next page. So if we are just dealing with addition, we're going to just combine like terms. And we should always start with our highest exponent. So here I have negative 8p to the third power, 5p to the third power. When I add these coefficients together, we have a negative 3p to the third power. Now I'll go through and gather my other like terms. I've got a 3p squared and a 2p squared. I'm going to put those together as well. Alright, so what that's going to do is be our final answer. We've addressed all of our terms, combining the coefficients using addition. On page 2, same process, we'll look at one that has subtraction. Now, before I just start combining like terms, I need to first think, oh, hey, I need to subtract everybody in this second grouping. So I'll subtract the 9q to the fourth power and subtract the 7q. All right, so they change signs. I'll lightly cross off the old ones so I don't accidentally use them. Now keep in mind, if one of them was already negative, this negative would turn a positive. But we verify that both of these have changed signs here. Alright, and then now we're going to just add these up. So I'm going to look for my highest exponent first, my q to the fourth power. So if we have our negative 6q to the fourth power and negative 9q to the fourth power, I put these together. Negative 15q to the fourth power. And then I'll put our regular q's. We have 5, we have negative 7. And here's what we have for that. Now, page 3, this is our two-step equations. Don't get intimidated by the fractions. Let's, for example, look here at number 3. So we know what two-step equations, we have to add or subtract first. Then we deal with multiplication or division. But looking at the side that has my x on it, I need to get rid of this negative 2. So I will add 2 to both sides. Once we have this here, we'll be looking at an x divided by a negative 18 is equal to a 3. So this is x divided by negative 18. We need to do the opposite of both sides and multiply by negative 18. Those will cancel out, leaving us left over with x is equal to 3 times the negative 18. We have x is equal to a negative 54. Here on page 4, some more two-step equations. We'll look at number 3 on this side as well. We want to do addition or subtraction first, so I need to get rid of this subtract 17. Alright, so we have the 7x is equal to the 42. Now we just have to divide both sides, because if the 7 multiplied by x, the opposite of multiplying is dividing. And we will get that x is equal to a 6.